Hi, good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel, Intelligible Tutorials. In this today's session now, I want to give the solutions for the cloud computing and NPTEL course for week 4 assignment. Okay, so let us see the first question. In Google Cloud Platform, cloud data store provides flexible object storage with global edge caching. So this statement is true or false? The answer is false. Now coming to the second question, the matching is A. We have to match with this right side one to the left side given answers. So the first one is A3, that is cylinder open stack. The option A, B, C, D are given. A is the correct answer for this. So Cinder app OpenStack or manage black storage in OpenStack, and Google APIs or integrate Google services into the application, and Cloud SQL is MySQL or NewSQL databases. So option A is the correct answer for this. Now coming to the question number 3, statement 1. Azure supports public cloud platform. Azure App Service Plan defines security. So which one is correct answer for this? Statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is false. So for this, the option A is the correct answer. Now coming to the question number 4. Which of the following components of OpenStack is responsible for providing persistent block storage to running instances? So Cinder is the answer for this. That is one of the component of OpenStack which is responsible for providing persistent block storage to running instances. So answer is B, Cinder. Okay. And now coming to the fifth question, question number 5. Which of the following app services provided by Google platform? So BigQuery is one of the answer, and cloud endpoints is one of the answers. So A, C are the correct answers for question number 5. Now coming to the question number 6. In OpenStack, when a VM is terminated, which one of the following memory resources are freed? So A and C are the answers. For this A, ephemeral storage, and for C, RAM. These two are the correct answers. And coming to the question number 7. Google Cloud Endpoint helps to provide flexible object storage with global edge caching. So and migrate the web app to Google Cloud Platform and scale up the app according to the demand service request, and provide flexible object storage with global edge caching, and integrate Google services into the application. So among them, the correct answer is scale up the app according to the demand service request. Option B is the correct answer for this. And now coming to the question number 8, the Azure app plan has scale count of dash number of instances. So the correct option is B for this. The answer is 1 to 20 number of the instances for this. Now coming to the question number 9, match the following. So here ephemeral storage is matched with Nova, and black storage is matched with Cinder, and object storage is matched with Swift. So option D is the correct answer for this. And now coming to the last question. In GCP, gcloud app browse can be used to start the local development server for the application. The statement is true or false. This is false statement. So once again, we see the answers from the start onwards. So Google Cloud Platform, here for the question 1, answer is B. Question number 2, answer A. Question number 3, answer A. Question number 4, B. 5, A, C. 6, A, C. 7, B. 8, B. And 9th one, it is D. And 10th one also, it is B. Okay. So these are the answers for week 4 solutions for cloud computing course. Thank you. Tell anybody didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you one and all.